I'm going to have a look at our colour range and do some swatches on my face. But if you're interested, follow us now for some other tutorials and tips and tricks on our product. I'm going to look at our bronzers and our highlighter. The highlighter in Cool Queen is really good for illuminating areas, and the bronzer is really good for defining areas on your face. So I'm going to start with our Sun-Kissed bronzer. That's it there. Just move it around in the pot with your finger. I'm just going to go down underneath my cheekbone here. This one can be really subtle if you want to, depending on how much product you actually use. I often just use this alone on my face without any foundation. Kind of brings out your cheekbones. That is Sun-Kissed. The next one I'm going to go in with is Bahamas Babe. So this is the Bahamas Babe, just underneath my cheekbone. This one has more of a bronzy undertone. The other one's more of a golden undertone. The next one I'm going to show you is the highlighter, Cool Queen. The moment you put it on your skin, you'll see it's quite good for just illuminating and highlighting, bringing some light and reflecting. It can be really subtle, or you can use more, and it just depends on your preference. Show you down my nose. Gorgeous glow that it gives to your face. A little bit here. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below. Share, like, and have a great day. See ya.